Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you Instagram creators out there. The video title is, How to Add a Clickable Link in Instagram Reels, 2025, and I'm excited to walk you through it step by step. Why is this important? Well, adding clickable links can boost your engagement, drive traffic to your website, or promote your latest products directly from your Reels. Let's jump right in. First things first. Make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your phone. This feature has been updated for 2025, so updates are key. Open up Instagram and head to the Reels tab at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the plus icon to start creating a new reel. Once you're in the reel editor, record or upload your video content as usual. After that, look for the Add Elements button. It's usually represented by a sticker or text icon. In 2025, Instagram has made it easier by introducing a dedicated link tool. Tap on that, and you'll see a prompt to enter your URL. Type in the link you want to share, like your blog post or online store, and customize it with text or a button overlay. Pro tip: keep your links relevant to the reel to avoid confusing your audience. Once you've added the link, preview your reel to make sure everything looks good. Hit Next, and then Share to post it. Remember, for the link to be clickable, your account needs to be verified or have a certain number of followers, as per Instagram's policies in 2025. There you have it, you've just added a clickable link to your Instagram reel. This simple hack can skyrocket your reach and conversions. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.